Here we go. It's qualifying day here in Lubbock. Got 12 games, 2 6-game blocks. We started 2 hours earlier than normal. Yo, we're all bowling super close. Mikey's next to Packy, I'm next to Mikey. Mikey's crossing with Brad. Nick is 2 pairs away from me. It's gonna be a fun time if we're bowling good. We got 94 over after 4, after being -8 after 2. So back in the game. All we had to say was we're last again, and I guess that's what works. But we got 2 more games this block. Hopefully pop off a couple more like the last 2, and we'll be sitting all right for later. It was really bad to start, and then it was really good, and then it was a really bad finish. I got to 119 over. I'm probably pretty close to the number. I was in 13th with 1 to go, and then That last pair was really clipped and wrong shots at the wrong time, and I got it, I think. Yeah, we're gonna go get lunch. Might be in an okay situation, but we gotta figure out the fresh. If I can figure that out, we'll be all right. Round 2.
Okay. Competition, this evening. Let's give the players a nice set.
Alright, we got 1 game to go. The cut with 2 to go was 195 over. I just pulled 266 with a lot of strikes and no spares.
This guy's crushing it. He bowled 300 the first game.
I'm not crushing it, man. It's just like a... You know what? I tweeted after the first block and I just said roller coaster.
Yeah.
And the roller coaster has continued.
It has.
So hopefully the roller coaster just stays at the top and it doesn't come back down because...
Yeah, I need to go up now. And then stay there.
He can do it.
Alright, we'll see you tomorrow. See how I did that? Because we're both going to make it to tomorrow.
Yeah, but the vlog's not over yet.
That's okay, but I'm just saying, like...
Alright, yeah. I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
262 over, opening the 10th last game for 190. Literally all or nothing. I had 340 over for 5 games, 80 under for my other 7. So if I can bowl more good games than bad ones, then I think we're in good shape to make a run tomorrow. But just gotta dial in. Still not really where we need to be physically, but handled it a lot better this week, and we got bonus bowling. So AJ made it too. He whacked him this block. He got like 330 over. But we got some big ones when we need them, and we'll be bowling tomorrow. So Wolverine, pitch. Actually, I shot 300 with the pitch black. UFO alert looked really good this ball.
All I'm saying
is that
I get mostly credit for the 300 game one with your thing. I talked you into it.
Alright, bro. Like I wasn't going to throw it anyways, but alright.
Yeah,
we'll give that one to
but,
AJ. He's got to get his wins where he
helped.
can.
I got to. I got to.
Good balling, dude.
You too.
I think we're going to drill a ball for the fresh just in case your thing doesn't look fantastic. Because it wasn't great for me because we started on the earlier side of the house this morning. So we'll take you out to the truck and see what we got. Alright, so we're doing a proton physics, very interesting. 2 by 5 by 1 1/8. It's going to be our other option for the fresh if urethane looks no good. Do our best to strike a lot, like some of the games today, and we'll see where we go. We'll see you tomorrow.